Step into the world of cybersecurity with foundational knowledge and practical skills by earning the IBM and ISC2 Cybersecurity Specialist Professional Certificate. You can gain expertise in cryptographic and data protection by mastering encryption methods to secure sensitive information and ensure data integrity. You'll also have the opportunity to learn network and endpoint security as you develop the skills to protect systems from unauthorized access and malware attacks. You can explore master incident management and digital forensics by investigating breaches, responding to threats, and documenting findings to prevent future attacks. Through your work, you can build skills in risk assessment and compliance, helping you understand how to align security practices with industry standards and protect organizational assets. Practical job-ready skills can help you prepare for a cybersecurity career and beyond. Enroll today and build your future with IBM, ISC2, and Coursera.